is coming in right there.
Oh, dude, we missed it. This is the train station. There's one coming in right here. Look at that. We're dorks, but yeah. I've never seen a train before. Look at that. It's a double-decker.
First bar, second bar, third bar, 5, 6. They don't want to go to that.
Sure, it's recording.
What, and you don't want it to record, but I said that I didn't want to go to
Shut
that.
up! Don't look at it.
Okay.
I don't like being on camera.
No, I didn't want to go to the red light. What?
There's a train. I know this is very boring, but I thought they were going to talk on the intercom again. So yeah. Here's the train station in Amsterdam. And look, they got a Burger King. That is crazy.